with easing the pain. This voice inside my head isn't dead, I think it's growing. Soon we will be one and the same. I've been going to the racetrack.